Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we saw how to download and install Python from the Microsoft App Store. Today in this tutorial, we'll download the Python executable installer from its official website and install it manually. For that, first open up the command prompt and type Python version. And here Python is not installed in my system. That's why we can see the message Python was not found. Run without arguments to install from the Microsoft Store. In the previous tutorial, we installed Python from the Microsoft Store. Today we want to download and install Python from the official website. For that, first we need to disable the shortcut from the settings. So first we need to open up Manage App Execution Aliases and we need to disable two shortcuts. So for that, here type Manage App Execution Aliases, click on this and here you can see App Installer off, installer off. Disable these two settings. Okay, done. Close this. Now we are ready to download the Python from its official website. For that, open any browser and here python.org and here you can see here we want to download the Python latest version. So go for downloads and it will show download for Windows. Here the latest version is Python 3.12.3 and if you want to view the full list of downloads, here you can click on this and here you can see active Python releases and just here see Python 3.9 plus cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier. Here you can see different version of Python. Here you can see Python 2.7 also. So in Python we have Python version 3 as well as Python version 2. But it is better to go for Python version 3. So we'll go for the latest version of Python 3, that is Python 3.12.3. We want to download executable file, that's why I'll click on this. And it will start downloading the executable file. So downloading is completed. Here you can see open file. So I'll click on that. I want to open the file to install it. So I'll close this. Here you can see this window. To install Python 3.12.3 64-bit. Select install now to install Python with default settings or choose customize to enable or disable features. So here we have two options. One is install now. It will install the Python with default settings or you can customize the installation. If you click on that, here you can see different options and you can customize the options. But for now we are beginners, so we'll go for this option. We'll install the Python with default settings. It includes ideally pip and documentation, creates shortcuts and file association. This is the default settings. We are installing Python on Windows, right? And Windows contains a path variable. This is nothing but list of directories that contains executable files. So we need to add path here. So click on this option. Okay. And here install now. Now we'll install this. So click on this. Setup progress. Setup was successful. So we are done with the downloading and installation process. So now we can close this and if you want to see, now if I open the command prompt and here type Python version Python 3.12.3. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.